In this video, we'll explore two more inheritance types, and those are hybrid inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. These concepts are important when your application grows and you want to organize your classes efficiently. Let's break it down with beginner-friendly examples and visuals. First of all, what is hierarchical inheritance? In hierarchical inheritance, multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class. So for example, we have a class called parent. There we do a null operation by writing pass. So let's say we have another class with the name child1, which inherits from parent class. There we also write pass. We have this spelling mistake here. Okay, after that, let's say we have another class which is child2, which also inherits from the parent class, and in the class we just write pass. So as you can see, we have two child classes in this code. Both are inheriting from the single parent class, this one. So all child classes get access to the parent's attributes and methods. I hope you understood the concept. So let's have an example. For example, we have a class called animal. There we have a method def speak, and there we print animals make sounds. Now let's create another class with the name dog, which inherits from the animal class, and there we have a method called bark, and we print dog barks. Again, let's say we have another class cat, which also inherits from the class animal. There we have a method called meow, and we print cat meows. Now let's create an object with the name D, and let's use the dog class. Let's create another object C with the cat class. Both are inheriting from the animal parent class, as you can see. So this speak method is there now in the dog class as well as in the cat class. So we can call d.speak. Then in the dog class, with the speak method, we have his own method which is bark. We can call that as well. So d.bark. Now if I run the code, you'll see it prints animals make sounds. Then it prints dog barks. So this one and this one. Okay. Now we created the C object with the cat class. So we can write here c.speak. Then again c.meow. Now if I run the code again, you can see after the D object's print statements, it prints C object's print statements. So as cat also inherits this method from animal class, it prints animals make sounds, then it prints cat meows from its own method. Now I hope you understood hierarchical inheritance. So let me comment this code. Okay. So now you can ask, what is hybrid inheritance? So hybrid inheritance is a combination of two or more types of inheritance, like single, multi-level, or multiple inheritance. This is common in real-world projects. So let's see an example. Let's have some spaces here, and we are seeing hybrid inheritance in action. So we need to combine two types of inheritance at least. So let's combine multi-level plus hierarchical inheritance. Let's say we have a class vehicle. There we have a method engine, and we print has engine. Then let's say we have another class car, which inherits from vehicle. There we have a method wheels, and there we print car has 4 wheels. And again we have another class bike, which also inherits from the vehicle class. There we have a method wheels, and there we print bike has 2 wheels. Let's say we have another class which is electric car, and this inherits from car. Okay, so these two inheriting from vehicle and electric car is inheriting from this car class. And here we have a method called battery, and here we just print battery powered. Okay, now let me explain this a bit to you. So here this vehicle is the base class, and car and bike is inheriting from vehicle. So here hierarchical inheritance is happening, but this electric car is inheriting from this car class, which is inheriting from vehicle class. So this is multi-level inheritance. So we are combining multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. So this is ultimately a hybrid inheritance structure. Now in our previous videos we talked about the MRO, or the method resolution order. So let's understand method resolution order in this case. So even in hybrid structures, Python handles method resolution cleanly using MRO. To check MRO of any class, you can write the print statement, and there you can write the class name, for example electric car dot underscore underscore MRO underscore underscore. Now if you run the code, you'll see in the leftmost we have electric car, then we have car, then in the rightmost we have vehicle. So this will show the path Python follows to find methods. So if you try to execute any method, Python first will try to find that method in this class. If Python does not find that, it will go to car class and try to find that. If Python does not find that there as well, it will go to the vehicle class. So the real life analogy would be teacher teaching multiple students. But in hybrid inheritance, the example would be a student who learns from both a subject teacher and an activity coach. So mix of types. I hope you understood this code. Now, if that is the case, let me give you a task. So the task is create a base class called appliance. So it is base class, then create two more classes. First of all, washing machine, then microwave, and both of them inherits from appliance. Then create another class which is smart washing machine, which inherits from this washing machine. Okay, now pause the recording and try to solve this by your own. Have you done that? If yes, great, absolutely great. If you couldn't done that, let's solve this together now. So first of all, we have our base class, and that is appliance. Let's say there we have a method power, and in that method we print runs on electricity. Then let's say we have another class. This time the class name is washing machine, which inherits from the appliance class. There we have this wash method, and there we print washes clothes. Then let's say we have this class which is microwave, which also inherits from appliance class. We have a method called heat. There we print heats food. Then we have a class smart washing machine. Now this time it does not inherit from appliance anymore, it inherits from the washing machine. So smart washing machine inherits from washing machine. Okay, and there we have a method Wi-Fi, and there we print can connect to Wi-Fi. Now our classes are done. Here is 4 classes, as you can see. Let me minimize the terminal. So washing machine and microwave is inheriting from the appliance class, and the smart washing machine class is inheriting from the washing machine class. So here as well we are having hierarchical and multi-level inheritance. Now we can create object. So let's say the object is SWM equal smart washing machine. We use this class. Okay, so in this smart washing machine we have this Wi-Fi method, then it inherits from washing machine class, So it also has this wash method, and washing machine class inherits from appliance class, so it has power method as well. So our smart washing machine has three methods: Wi-Fi, wash, and power. Okay, so let's call them. So we write swm dot power, which is from here, then swm dot wash is from here, then swm dot Wi-Fi, and this method is smart washing machine class itself. Now if I run the code, let me make the terminal bigger, you'll see the output runs on electricity, which is this one, then it prints washes clothes, which is this one, then prints can connect to Wi-Fi, which is this one. Now there are some common questions that beginners ask. For example, can we inherit from two classes? Yes, Python supports multiple inheritance. Then some ask that what if two parent classes have same method? Again, Python follows MRO to decide. So it is left to right and bottom to top. Then lastly, there is another question, which is hybrid inheritance hard? The answer is not really, it's just combining known types logically. So now you know how hierarchical and hybrid inheritance help structure your classes more flexibly and powerfully. So we are almost done with the Python course. From the next videos, I think I will be creating some projects so those make your Python learning more effective and help you to become a better programmer. So that's all for now. I hope see you in the next one.